Take a slow breath. Arrive here in this moment. Notice how the wind moves through the trees. The wind is unseen, yet its presence is felt. Notice all the sounds around you. And how the wind impacts nature. Look at the sky. It's always changing. Clouds drift freely, passing by without holding on. The colors shift from moment to moment. Imagine yourself touching these plants. What do they feel like? Like the wind, life moves on, reminding us nothing stays the same. Can you hear the sound in the background? Listen carefully. The clouds slowly pass by, just like thoughts. They come and they go. How about worries? Could we also let them come and then go? What is if we don't hold on to them? What is if we help them lighter? Nature just is. It doesn't have an agenda. Feel your presence in this moment. Hear the wind. Notice the stillness beneath the movement. As the sun sets, let yourself rest in the quiet beauty of this moment.